Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing all clean girl aesthetic and vibes because we're gonna be recreating the it girl herself, Miss Hailey Bieber's berry spring date night makeup look that she just did a couple days ago. The look was very natural, very glowy, but still very beautiful and pretty, and I honestly can never nail the clean girl look, but this time I am really surprised. Like, I follow her routine literally step by step. So let's just jump right into it. So I did moisturize my face already using the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, but Hailey goes in with the Rhode Glazing Milk. I unfortunately don't have that, so Rhode, if you're watching, please send that over. So instead, I'm just gonna use my favorite serum at the moment, which is the Caudalie Pheno Perfect Serum. A few drops of this, and I just love how lightweight and moisturizing this serum is. It just feels so nourishing on the skin, but it also feels very, very lightweight. Oh, this just feels so nice. So next, she goes in with the Hourglass tint. I unfortunately don't have that in hand, but it's okay, we're gonna make it work. I'm using my favorite tinted moisturizer right now, which is the Beauty of Joseon Daily Tinted Fluid Sunscreen, and I'm gonna be mixing these two shades to get like a perfect match because Miss Hailey's skin is just literally pure perfection, and we're gonna have to work with a tinted moisturizer today. Girl, I want to go in with a heavy foundation, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna follow exactly what she does. So I'm just gonna take that on the back of my hand because that's also what she did, and she said that she likes warming up the products on her hand. Next, we're gonna take a foundation brush and just kind of work that into the brush and then work it into our skin. I literally have to follow her routine. Like, I have my phone right here just watching her YouTube video, because if not, I'm not gonna get this look correct, because I feel like I always attempt to do like clean girl looks and then I always end up with a full beat. It's like inevitable. She did not fill in her brows, but girl, I'm not blessed with brows like hers, so I had to do my brows. Next is contour. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Chocolate Caramel Melting Bronzing and Sculpting Stick, and these have been my favorite. They're just so freaking creamy and they melt literally right into your skin. You're gonna see. So we're just gonna place a few little dots there, a few little dots here. She goes from her eyelid bone and drags the contour out like that. I'm so excited. I don't think I've ever done this step. Maybe with like eyeshadow, but not with contour. Before she blends out her contour, she goes in with concealer, and I actually have the exact concealer that she uses. It's the Hourglass one. I'm gonna be mixing the shade Apricot and Birch. She applies a little bit right to the center of the forehead, also the under eyes, of course. She uses very minimal amount. I really want to just go in with this. She also has a little bit around her nose like this, and then she did this. I'm like, yes girl, you know we need to snatch those cheekbones. I'm gonna be taking the lighter shade of that concealer, and I'm just gonna dab a little bit on top of this, just like the smallest amount, because I want my under eyes to be a little bright. She didn't do this, but I'm gonna do it. I'm sorry. Next, she takes the same brush that we used to apply the skin tint to blend everything out. She does it all at once, but however, I feel like I can't really do that. I'm just going to blend first the contour and then move in and blend the concealer. Look, like how effortless that is. That just blends so seamlessly and so easily into the skin. I love it. Hailey is like known for the clean girl look, so I'm so excited to see what this is gonna look like on me. So now we're just going to blend out this concealer down here using the same brush. It's actually blending pretty well. Okay, Hailey, let me find out. I'm honestly not really a big fan of the Hourglass concealer. I just feel like it always creases on me. I don't know. I have been obsessed with the Natasha Denona concealer. Like, I cannot put it down. Today's actually maybe my first day not using it. For the under eyes and the contour on the lid, she goes in with a smaller brush. So I'm gonna go in with this one. This is from Morphe and it's their concealer brush. So I'm gonna just blend in these under eyes first before I go into my lid. Oof, I definitely applied way too much. Hers did not look like this. Like hers looks so natural. I just can never get the clean girl makeup correct. Like it just always looks like a full beat on me. I don't know why. She swears by this little technique right here. Like she says that it snatches her eyes. It does kind of give it like a lift. Okay, I might have to keep this one in my regular routine. Just kind of added like some drama to the eyes. Okay, so she really likes her under eyes to look sheer and natural. So what she did is she took a little bit of her glacing milk on her finger and like dabbed it on top of the concealer and blend that out, and she said that it shears it out and it makes it look a lot more natural and like flawless. I'm gonna take a little bit on my finger of the serum and just literally gonna dab it right over the concealer. Oh my god, I am so scared to look down. Oh shoot, it did work. It like sheared it out, but it didn't really mess with the concealer too much. Like I thought it was gonna start lifting everything and just ruining everything, but it actually didn't. Another thing that she does is she goes back in with her finger and kind of just blends everything in. I really like this idea because I feel like your fingers are literally the best blending machine. Like she goes in with a cream bronzer on top of the contour. I am so excited to do this. I'm using the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skins in Spice Latte. I'm just gonna take that on a brush and ooh, okay, hold on. We're gonna have to mix that first in my hand because hers did not look that harsh. She kind of just like blends it like this, and then when I have a wig on, she doesn't, but she goes like underneath her ear and drags it down because she says that you do not want a bronze space and a pale neck, and that is very, very true. She works with a lot of cream products, and I feel like that's one of the biggest things why my makeup never looks like that, because I use a lot of powders. Next is blush, and she's using an unreleased blush. It's honestly so gorgeous. So the color that I could come closest to is the Huda Beauty Strawberry Cream Blush Filler, and I'm hoping and praying that this gives me that same color that she had because it was so beautiful, guys. Like whenever she releases that, I need to get that. So it is very close, I feel like, to the one that she had. It's kind of like just like a fuchsia kind of finish, and I think this is giving me just that. She goes in with powder blush right over this. I'm using the Too Faced Cloud Crush in Candy Clouds because it's such a pretty pink, and I feel like it's not really going to mess with anything. It's just gonna add the perfect little shade of pink. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. The only thing that she sets is her under eyes, and she takes a small amount of translucent powder, and she says that she doesn't like to look greasy, but she likes to look dewy, so that's why she only kind of applies it right here very lightly. So she has freckles naturally, and then she like enhances them. I don't have any freckles or beauty marks, so I'm just gonna go over my pimples or little like breakouts that I have and just make them into the cutest little beauty mark. So she does add mascara to like the outer parts of her lashes, but I do have lash extensions, so I'm just gonna be leaving my lashes as they are. Moving right along to her next step, which is under eye like glowing powder, and I just got the new Morphe Cloud Light Soft Glow Veil, and she says it adds like a glow to it. Ooh, I never thought to add like highlighting anything to my under eye. I am learning a lot of tips with this one. This is good. She does take a little bit of highlighter, not this one, but I'm just taking my favorite, which is the Tom Ford Soleil de Feu. I always butcher that, but she takes it and just kind of highlights the tip of her nose with it. So next is lips, and she's using her peptide lip shapes. I don't have that. Ugh, so I'm just gonna have to go in with lip liner. She places it like on the outer parts of her lips. So I'm using the ColourPop New Moon lip liner because it's kind of like a brown. It gives very much contour like vibes. Kind of like that. So it's supposed to kind of give you like a natural pouty kind of look. Her lip liners have like that little buffing brush on the other side. I'm just taking like a small brush and just blending this out. This part is supposed to look very blended and kind of like a shadow, I guess. Since we blurred this out, now we're gonna take a lip liner and go on our actual lip line. So don't overline for this part because the shadow that we already created is kind of gonna do the overlining for you. This is actually a very smart way to line your lips. Ooh, this looks pretty. So then she takes her blush. I'm gonna take my powder one. I'm not sure if she took her cream or powder, but she kind of just takes a little bit on her finger and just dabs it in the center of the lips. It just gives you like such a pretty finish, so I might be stealing that step too. The last step that she does is she takes like a pencil liner and draws the smallest flick, kind of like that. She uses a brown pencil, so that's why I'm using a brown one. She does it so effortlessly. I don't even know how she does it. She just kind of went like that and it just was perfect. And that is literally it. Do I look like her yet? And this is the finished look. I honestly love it, and I feel like I finally nailed the clean girl look. Like I have to follow a step by step exactly what Hailey does in order to get this, because if I try to go off route with anything, I'm never gonna get here. Like I'm gonna end up in full glam town because that's just what I'm used to. This honestly looks so good, so natural, but so like glam and pretty at the same time. I love it. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, let me know in the comments what videos you guys want to see, because that'll help me a lot to pump out content faster if I have like a list of videos that you guys want to see. So, and I will see you guys on the next one. Dreaming of Saturn.